I'm Michael, and on this episode, we're going to take this machine and move it downstairs. But first, we need to take it apart. We're going to do some 3 or 4 chunks, not taking the whole thing apart, just 3 or 4 chunks. That way, when we get it downstairs or to our new house or new location, we can get it back together correctly. Okay, let's get started. These are the Allen wrenches that came with the machine. And here's some large freezer bags, small sandwich bags, magic marker, and some tape. Let's get started. Let's start with the left side of the machine. There's 4 connections. This connection goes to the wheel. It comes off rather easy. Bottom left connection as well. Comes off easy. And we'll do the bottom right connection by the foot pad. And for some reason my video recorder stopped, so you won't see that. Sorry about that. Top left connection, loosen that up. We're going to have to go to the right side of that other side and actually take the other side off. The washer and the bolt. It comes off really easy, so no problems there. And then this side we'll unscrew a little bit more and then we'll pull it out. It comes out easy. It's got some grease on that pole, so it does come out pretty smooth. Be careful, that grease is pretty nasty if it gets on your clothes. And this will also go in the middle parts bag. But first, let's do the left side parts bag. All 3 of these will go in. And here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Let's put these together with some tape. That would be a smart thing to do. That will keep it organized and we won't lose it. We're going to do this with all of our parts now. We'll be consistent and stay organized. And the last one. Easy. Left side parts bag. Now the middle parts bag. Like I said, the middle pole will go in as well as the other side of the connection, which will be the right side. That's the washer and the bolt will go in, and we'll also make sure, and we're going to tape those. Super important because those are very important parts. The machine will not work at all without these. There we go. And we're good to go. Now the left side comes down. Looks like we have a connection still going up through to the console, looks like. So we'll have to disassemble some stuff here. We're going to take apart this tree that connects to the base that connects to the console. It's got 3 screws, and once we get these screws off, we're going to tape these screws and put them in the middle parts bag. Middle parts bag. And tape. Okay, let's get this off here. Looks like we're going to have to take apart some more stuff here. That console's going to have to come apart. So we'll disconnect that. So we have 4 Phillips head screws that will come off the console. So we can get to those wires. I wish I had used my cordless drill. This would have gone by a lot quicker. So you're going to watch me kind of go old school here with a screwdriver and watch me struggle for a minute. Now these parts, these 4 screws will go into the middle parts bag. Before I do that, I will tape them together so we don't lose them, and we'll be in one spot. There we go. And from what we see, we have 3 connections, 1 for each side plus the middle. So let's disconnect those. 1 and 2, and the last one here, a little more difficult. It's a little thicker of a connection. And we do that, and bam, we're done. Easy. Okay, that left side comes out easy now. done with that. So let's take that left side parts bag and tape it to actually the metal poles on the left side. This makes it pretty much fail-proof. We can't mess it up. And we're going to tape the connection as well so we don't snag on anything. There's those 4 screws I was telling you about. We're going to tape those, and it goes in the middle parts bag. Let's go to the right side now. This is the bottom right connection. Take that one off. And don't forget to tape it. We'll do the bottom left connection by the foot pad. And if I can find the right size Allen wrench here, we'll get this off here. And there we go. And that was easy. More tape. Next one is the bottom right that goes to the wheel. It's in a kind of a weird spot, as you can see, so it's a little more difficult to disconnect, but we'll get through it pretty quick. There we go. There we go, and of course we're going to tape it. There we go. Oh, and that's why we tape it. Right side comes down, and it's pretty easy. Get through there, that tree, and then voila. And now we'll tape the right side parts bag to the right side. And we'll also tape that connector as well. Get this last part here off, the tree I guess we call it. This will go with the middle parts bag and also the console. The connection to the wheel on the right is the next part to come off, and the connection to the wheel on the left is the next part, and then we're pretty much done. We're going to do some taping. Those parts do not come off, and we're going to label this the left side so we know for sure where it goes. The same thing to the right side. A little bit of tape, and we'll label it right side. At this point, we are done. Easy. Okay, at this point, we're all done. The right side is the bag labeled, taped up, as well as the left side. All the pieces and parts are bagged separately. We know where they go, which side they go on. There's no confusion. The middle console is over here. All the pieces, all the parts, including the bar that goes through here, is in a bag with all the parts. Now, it's time to move it. Okay, let's start with the right side. Get that downstairs. And the left side. Middle parts bag and console. Okay, I got all the smaller parts downstairs already. It's time to move the big one. Not too heavy. Not too heavy, but really dirty. And it looks like someone got steamrolled on that mat there. It's kind of a funny looking print there. Found a washer, I'm gonna put it in the bag. Left side parts bag. That's why we use tape. All right, final step. Let's get this downstairs. It's still a little heavy, more awkward than heavy. Going downstairs, go slowly, be careful. You don't want to damage the stairs, the walls, the machine, or hurt yourself. This is the last step. All in all, it took about 30 minutes from beginning to end. So I hope this helps you with your machine. It won't be the same as my machine, but use the same techniques, taping, being organized, and labeling, and you should have no problem getting this downstairs. Just be patient and take your time. All right, we're all done here. The machine is downstairs, the room is cleared out. Took about 30 minutes, not too bad. Please hit the like button, hit subscribe, leave some comments. I want to hear from you guys. Thanks again.